Hi everybody! We just wanted to give a little channel update since we haven't been posting as consistently, and I just wanted to kind of give a little explanation as to why and what you can expect from us moving forward. Last winter, after we finished our massive ICW series, we were both feeling a little burnt out on filming and editing, so we decided to take a break for a little while we were in the Bahamas, and a short break turned into a long break, turned into us trying to decide if we wanted to continue the channel at all. Some reflection over the last few months has us deciding that we do want to continue the channel, we want to continue to make videos, but I think we're going to change the kind of content we're going to be doing moving forward and just about how often you're going to see videos from us. So first off, you're probably not going to see that kind of vlog, day in the life, what we're doing kind of content from us anymore here on YouTube. If you are looking for that kind of content from us, Instagram and TikTok, totally the place to go check us out. I have been doing daily vlogs for our trip south on the ICW this year over there. We'd love to have you. Moving forward here on YouTube, we're going to be sticking to the kinds of videos that we wish were there when we first started cruising. And we're going to continue to make those DIY videos, those things we learned that you might also find interesting, and like how-tos and tips and tricks, that sort of kind of video is more what we're going to focus on moving forward. Can't promise there's going to be a weekly video or an every other week video. We're going to be putting them out when things come up in our cruising life that make sense to share with you all. And lastly, I just want to thank all of you for watching and supporting us over the last few years. We are going to continue to make content that we hope you find useful, and we'll see you next time.